Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, I'm Berlana Sinta Febriani, student from Maritim Raja Ali Haji in English study program. So in this video, I will be presenting my journal article review, a journal written by Sofyan Agani, Dian Fajrina, and Rizaldi Hanifa. And the title is Students' Learning Strategies for Developing Speaking Ability. And now I will begin with the overview. The study was done to study the learning strategies used by both low and high performance speaking students is developing their speaking skill, as well as the difference between the learning strategies used by both groups of learners. The author explained that there are several strategies to collect research results, such as the data was collected through field research by means of document, questions, questionnaires, and interviews. So we move to next discussion. Methodology. The author used qualitative methods, namely unit analyzing, sampling, and data collections. The subjects of this study were the second-year students at Senior High School 3 in Banda Aceh who had either low or high speaking performance results. To collect data, this research was carried out by various strategies. The writer used the student achievement record prepared by the teacher to obtain pure information about the high and low performance of students' speaking ability. All record documents were collected and interpreted to verify the students selected for this study. For the questionnaire, the research used the strategy inventory for language learning, version 7.0. Content 15 questions as an assessment instrument for language learning strategies used by students. Researchers also conducted interviews with both students who had high and low speaking performance. This was conducted to confirm the subject learning strategies. Researchers used an interview involving self-observation. The subject were asked 5 questions, namely, what do you do to improve your pronunciation? Number 2, what do you do to improve your vocabulary? Number 3, what do you do to make your grammar better? And number 4, what do you do to improve your fluency in speaking? And the last number is 5, what do you do to improve your comprehension in speaking? During the interview, data was recording using a handphone recorder. The products for data analysis for this research study was as follows. First, after collect the document from the teacher, research note and categorize the student with high or low speaking performance. Second, the data from the questionnaires and the interview was gathered and translated into target languages. And third, the data was further coded to classify the learners' learning strategies. Fourth, the data was grouped into language learning strategies used by low and high speaking performance learners. Then it was analyzed based on high performing learners. And fifth, the result of the document interpretation questionnaires and interview were described in the form of narrative. And we move to last discussion, which is the findings. Research result of the study indicated the high performance speaking students had better balance in using all kinds of learning strategies like memory, cognitive, compensatory, or metacognitive, affective, and social. For enhancing their speaking skills, the same could not be found with lower performing speaking students. The higher performance students employ more learning strategies constantly and appropriately compared to the low performance students based on the research results. It is suggested that students should be trained to be more aware of their own speaking learning. They should use appropriate language learning strategies more consequently, purposefully, and frequently to be more successful in developing in their speaking skill. So the data also indicate that low performance students sometimes apply strategies that were not very effective for completing certain language tasks such as enhancing pronunciation by reading a dictionary and improving fluency by memorizing sentences. On the other hand, high speaking performance students use a large number of strategies appropriately so that they could accomplish various language tasks. The findings of the study correspond with that of O'Malley and Kamat, who said the more effective high speaking performance students generally use a greater variety of strategies and use them in more ways to help them complete language tasks more. Have fewer strategies but also frequently use strategies that are inappropriate to the task at hand and which does not lead to successful task completion. In brief, the use of appropriate language learning strategies give greater contribution for the development of competency in speaking. And yes, and that's all my review. Sorry for all the mistakes and shortcomings. I really hope that all of you can give suggestion and input for me. I think that's all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.